I'm feeling the vibe up in this biatch for real. Just slip it on over your neck like that. She out here, she is showing off. It's a freaking bathing suit, y'all. Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super stoked that you're here. I have a great Shein haul coming for you. I have 15 dresses here that I want to show you. They're brand new. I'm gonna link everything for you as well. If you didn't already know, hello, my name is Samantha. I do Shein try-on hauls, unboxing, Amazon reviews, things like that. So let's get into it because I have a huge haul, but also don't forget to please like this video because when you guys press that like button, it helps me out here in this YouTube world and it's free. Also, if you're into this type of content, hit that subscribe button, get me subscribed, and let's get popping, okay? Let's get into the first dress. Okay, so this little fairy tale of a purple lilac floral gorgeous dress is absolutely one of my favorites that I've tried on throughout this whole entire haul. So I call this the fairy tale dress, okay? I did get this in a size large. Look how gorgeous the detail is on this dress. It's not too short, So I'm really happy about that. It does have a zipper in the back. And also like this part up here, it really holds well together. It's not going to fall down or anything like that. Even if you're wearing it like out dancing or something, I don't know. I'm obsessed with this dress though. And this is one of my favorite colors besides pink. I got this dress for $29 and it's definitely worth the $29, y'all, okay? Let's get on to the next. Okay, so we have this white floral fitted gorgeous beauty of a dress, you guys. Oh my word, this dress is not see-through, which I'm super stoked about. I love the way that it ties around the neck area. I really like that. I love the way that it ties right here around the waist area as well. Look at that satin material. Oh, I love that so much. This dress is absolutely gorgeous and I'm not sure if they have it in other colors, but if they did, oh my word, I'm getting more because the fit is amazing and it's not too short. I did get this in an extra large. Oh my God. Surprisingly, maybe there wasn't a large available, so I decided to go for XL. I don't know why I chose XL, but I'm happy I did because it fits absolutely perfectly. Maybe I would recommend to size up for this specific dress. $18.38, y'all. This is gorgeous. All right, let's get on to the next. Okay, you guys, so we have this beautiful long red dress, and you know what I am finding out while trying on all of these dresses is I actually really love long dresses and I've never given them a chance since before I started this YouTube channel. So I'm really stoked I gave these long dresses a chance because they're absolutely gorgeous. I don't know where I'm wearing it to. Actually, I do. I could totally wear these to like musicals. Don't these seem like a musical type of dress, like to go to the Pantages Theater or something like that? Anyway, I love the little slit on the side. I love the ruffles down here. You know, with the ruffles and like the slit on the side, it really makes the dress pop. I love the thick straps. This is not going to be falling off your shoulders all night or anything like that. Oh, I have this backwards. Here's the front. But it's not going to be falling off of you all night or anything like that. It's going to fit and stay very nicely on your shoulders. And it's also not see-through. It is a thin like cotton material, but it's not like see-through as long as you wear, you know, the right undergarments under here. It's absolutely amazing. And I got this dress for $18.33 in a size large. How can you not? Like, this is great. All right, y'all, let's get on to the next. Oh my God. Okay, so this dress, I loved this dress so much when I saw it in the photo. You guys, this dress is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like a little, you know, Barbie doll in this dress. So freaking cute, dude. Okay, so it's a very thick material. And I love the detail of the white down here and all throughout the dress. As you can see, like the white little dot lining around the dress. How gorgeous is this freaking dress? Oh my God, it reminds me of like the moms back in the day in like the 70s movies. Like I feel like that in like the 70s shows like Leave It to Beaver. I feel like this is this is what that dress reminds me of. Anyway, let me just tell y'all, I have to say no to this gorgeous dress because of the breast area. You make the wrong move, you put your hands too high, it's gonna go up, okay? So I'm gonna have to say no to this dress, but it does have a zip in the back. I love the hollow cutouts here. Darn, this dress was so cute, and I had really, really high hopes for this dress. This dress, $20.06 in a size large. All right, y'all, well, let's get on to the next. Okay, y'all, this dress is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like a little fairy in this dress. How gorgeous is this little Tinkerbell of a mini dress? Love the bottom down here. It is so nicely fitted. It's so breathable, so movable and gorgeous. And $24 for this dress in a size large. It is a great deal. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the tie in the back as well. And it does have adjustable straps right here, as you can see. I should have adjusted it a little bit tighter. The only problem, it is too short. So unfortunately, I do have to send this one back and hope that they can get me an extra large. If they made a bigger size, I would definitely get it. And I do actually recommend sizing up for this dress. It's too short in the back, y'all. It is. But anyway, it's absolutely gorgeous. And we're gonna get on to the next. Woo! Wait, y'all, look at this. Miss Perps right here. Miss Perps is out here in the building. Yo, this royal purple is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I love this dress so much. Love the little cutout detail that it has right here. I love the slit, of course, on the side of the thigh area. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's very long, very movable, very breathable. Again, you do have to wear the right undergarments with this type of dress because it is kind of like a thin material, but not too thin to where you're gonna see like everything. So just make sure you wear the right type of undergarment under this dress. And I should have used these adjustable straps to tighten it up a little bit better. But I didn't do that, but you definitely have the option to do that. Absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Guess how much I got this purple dress for? $17.27. And this is amazing. I like, what? Shein be out here like for real, for real. Okay, next. Am I going to the prom in this dress? Am I going to homecoming? Because that is literally how I feel. Honestly, y'all, I have never felt so much more better in my life than I've ever felt. Like even since I was younger, like in my teens or whatever, I feel like I look better, I feel better. And girl, like looking at me in this dress, I'm not even gonna play. I feel like I'm going to like a prom or like homecoming type of vibe, okay? Wow, this really like brought me back in a, like, I felt like I was in high school wearing this dress. Okay. Absolutely gorgeous. And you know what else is amazing? It comes in so many other colors, you guys. I mean, absolutely amazing, gorgeous. The cutout from the bottom of the dress with the slit area all the way up to this with the one shoulder right here. It does have a zip in the back, okay? Very easy to put on. I did get this in a size large. $24, please. I'm telling y'all, if we had Shein back in my day, I'm talking the early to mid 2000s, when I went to middle school and high school, woo, it would be done. My life, woo, girl, like I would have been shopping. All right, y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10. Let's get on to the next. Beautiful white ruffle of a fitted, gorgeous dress. I feel like a princess in this dress. Absolutely love it. And you know what I love even more about how gorgeous it fits? It is not see-through. And I haven't checked yet, but I hope it comes in more colors because I absolutely love the fit. I love the detail of the ruffles. I'm very, very girly type of vibe. I love this little ruffle straps right here. I love the breast area. Look how it ruches there. Love the whole dress. It kind of ruches like a little mermaid type of vibe. Look at the bottom. It looks like a little mermaid fishtail dress. That is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so this is the front. You turn it around to the back. And that's why I say the mermaid look, because this is like the mermaid look. This is the back of the dress. And it's not too much. Like it's not weird when you try it on, as you can see in the video. To me, it's absolutely gorgeous. It is very fitted, but it works and it's gorgeous. It fits like a freaking glove. I got this dress for $18.60. This is such a steal. You cannot beat these prices and the quality of these dresses, y'all. All right, let's get on to the next. Oh my God, I have really high hopes for this dress as well. Okay, so this is the butterfly halter dress, okay? Absolutely love it. But you know what? What did I get this dress? Okay, this dress is a size large, but it feels a little bit bigger to me. There's just too much material, like the breast area is very long, there's a lot going on. Look at all the material. I had to really tighten it all the way up on my neck right there. But I like the design. I love the butterflies on here, you guys. It is a little bit of an asymmetrical vibe, as you can see here. It's very easy. You just slip it on, slip it off. Look at all the room that you have to get into this dress. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's not too short. It does fit very nicely. You know, my body is different than your body, so things do fit differently for everybody, you know what I mean? So other than it just, like, for me personally, not fitting the way that I wish it would, I do think it's a great dress, and I got this dress for $14.15 in a size large, you guys. Wow. Next. Ooh, honey, child, please, because I feel like I'm back at the club, okay? I was just talking about that I'm in high school, feeling like I was back in the high school days. No, now I'm 19, 20, 21, going to the damn club, y'all. Like I said, y'all, I feel like, girl, like this dress is sexy as freaking heck. And, you know, I'm not mad. I feel like $1 million in this dress. I feel like $1 million bucks. I know that there's a lot going on. It is showing a lot of skin. But you know what? I work hard for this body. I feel good. I'm telling y'all, I feel like I look better than I did back in my high school days and early 20s. Okay, y'all, I'm feeling the vibe up in this biatch for real. This dress, I don't know, but I'm holding on to this maybe for a club day in Vegas. I don't freaking know, but I'm holding on to this crap because when you find a sexy dress like this, you need to hold it for that special, sexy, certain day to go to the club or something like that. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna tell y'all, this dress is $15.94 in a size large, y'all. Don't get me playing. Let's get on to the next. Y'all, it's all that water I've been drinking. You know, back in the day, I didn't drink a lot of water. We were like dehydrated and crap, you know? Like now you see all the kids with all these like thick Stanley cups and stuff, and we didn't have that back then. We weren't sipping on water like that all day throughout the school day. Okay, so this black hollow mini dress is absolutely gorgeous in a size large. I love this dress so much. The only problem is right here where it connects. It's like very loose. I wish it was a little bit tighter, and there's no adjustable. Like you can't adjust it. You just click it together and that's it. I can't adjust it to make it like tighter or anything like that. I really do love the sleeves. This is like a felt. This is so freaking soft, you guys. Look at that material. It's absolutely gorgeous, absolutely great. I just need the fit a little bit better. I need a little bit more tight around this area. But regardless, this could have been another nice little club Vegas dress or something. I got this dress for, ooh, girl, $20.89. Yeah, this is a steal, but it's gonna be a no for me. Also, I don't really like the neck part where it like connects right here. I'm not really into that either. It kind of, like I'm gonna be like choking all night. You know what I mean? All right, y'all, let's get on to the next. Woo, girl, this dress is bussin'. You know, this one reminds me of my daughter. I feel like she likes this like black and rose and red. This feels like her type of vibe. But again, for some reason, it's like, I don't know, it's kind of flimsy. It is very loose on me. Look at the back. You just slip this on, slip it off. Also, the halter doesn't tie. I need it to tie so that I can adjust it to my liking. But it doesn't tie. You just slip it on over your neck like that, and I'm not really like into that, but I do like the design. I love the red roses, and I love it. Oh, the really cool thing about this dress is that it has shorts underneath, y'all. It has shorts underneath. How cute is that? Okay, so this dress, let's see here. I got this dress for $10.24 in a 0XL size. So that's pretty interesting. I don't know why I chose a 0XL right now at this very moment. I'm thinking maybe the regular like large size was out, so I just went to a OXL, which is fine. It does fit okay, but it's just a little, I don't like this top up here. I need it to tight. I need to be able to tie it myself to my liking, how I feel fits nice, okay? So anyway, $10.24 if you're into this type of vibe with the shorts underneath. Very cute. Let's get on to the next. Woo, girl, let's take a look at this gorgeous girl right here. She out here. She is showing off. I feel like a lot of these dresses remind me of like I'm going to a dance, like a high school dance, y'all. Like, as a non-high schooler type of gal, like, where do you guys wear these dresses to? Where do like women and mothers and like, where do y'all wear these types of dresses to? Like, where are we going that we wear these dresses? All I can think of is like a musical. Like, I'm sorry, but like something elegant, like you're going to your husband's like work party, something. I don't know. I don't know where we'd be wearing these dresses, but they're absolutely gorgeous nonetheless, okay? So I got this dress for $16.11. Where am I wearing it to? I'm not 100% sure, but I would like to find a place to wear these dresses to, okay? Let's get on to the next. Okay, so this next dress is not really even a dress. It's a freaking bathing suit, y'all. So I really, really love it. Don't get me wrong. I'm going to just say straight off the bat, it is a size large, but for some reason it doesn't fit me well. It fits me like a medium or a freaking small. I need an extra large. And y'all know that Shein sizes do run sometimes a little snug or small. So if I were to up the size maybe to an extra large, it would fit much more nicely. I'm thinking about this as you're going to like a pool party or something like that, and you don't want to be like straight out in your skin all day or afternoon or whatever. This is very easy peasy vibes, and then you put the skirt over, right? The thing is that it almost feels like a fancy pool party, you know, when you're wearing something like this. I would highly recommend this. Like, this is such a Vegas vibe when you're going to the pool or walking to the pool. So easy. You just slip this skirt off and then you have your bathing suit on. And then when you're ready to go back to your room or whatever, you slip the skirt back on. It's like so easy peasy. And that's why I got this, this set here, because I really wanted to show y'all like what a cool vibe that is. But again, too tight for me, y'all. Like, my back end would be hanging out all day, and I ain't gonna be letting that hang out like that. You know what I mean? I need an extra large. Regardless, got this one for 25 freaking bucks. Steal, okay? In a size large. Let's get on to the last one. Y'all, we out here. Okay, so this is the last dress, and I feel like that girl from Love and the Marriage, okay, like, isn't her name Peg? Okay, Peg, right? Anyway, that's what this reminds me of. I feel like I'm Peg from Love and the Marriage in this dress. The design, this is like what she would always wear with her big hair, right? It is very cute. Like, that's why I ordered it. I was like, this is freaking cute. It's different. It's gorgeous. What I will say, the design is too much for me, okay? It's a little too loud. The back with like this stuff, the ruffle like on the back, like going down your butt and back area is kind of weird as well. Yeah, I'm not sure about this dress, but it does fit well. It's not too short. You can move in it. It's gorgeous, okay? Love the fit. Size large, $10.66. Y'all, please. What a great haul that was. Amazing dresses. I love doing these hauls. I love these Shein dresses. Great deals, great prices. I've been finding things that I wouldn't normally wear just because I'm trying new things. I'm trying new things, right? So this has been super fun. I'll be back for some more. I have a lot of things lined up, y'all. So don't forget to hit that like button because it's free. Hello. And also subscribe if you're into this type of content and you enjoy it. All right. See you in the next one. Peace out.